Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how to get the Xfinity application on Vizio Smart TV in 2026. So first of all, you need to understand this thing. You can't directly install the Xfinity Stream application on Vizio Smart TV. Unlike Samsung or other brands, Vizio TVs do not support the Xfinity Stream application natively. So even if you are searching for the application on its app store, you won't be able to find it, and that's completely normal. So now let's talk about what actually works in Vizio. So what you can do is you can use streaming devices. So this is going to be best and it is most reliable. So you can plug in a device which can be a Roku TV, or it can be a Fire TV stick, or even Apple TV. And once connected, you can install Xfinity Stream on that device and then you can sign in. Now your Vizio TV is going to work like any supported smart TV. Another simple option is casting. For that, you can open the Xfinity Stream application on your phone. After that, you can look for the cast option. So when you select the cast option, you just have to choose the Vizio TV from the list. Now your content will start playing on your TV as well. And this particular step also works because Vizio TVs support Chromecast and AirPlay, even though they don't support the application itself. Now, if casting doesn't work properly, you can also connect your laptop to the TV using the HDMI cable. Then you can open Xfinity Stream in the web browser and play your content directly. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.